think, Marge. All I need is a title.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're watching GamerCat Plays Hearthstone. I am GamerCat, and in this episode here, we're going to go back to our aggro warrior pirate deck because we need to play warrior according to one of our quests. So we'll go ahead and set that up. Hopefully that'll mean that we get a few more victories coming our way, and we'll reverse our most recent streak of losses. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and get going. Want to play Murloc?
Garrosh versus
Oh well,
Gul'dan.
anyway. I am ending up playing Gul'dan. Oh, let's see here. I'm going first, and I like none of those cards. None of you. Well, maybe you. Okay. Ah! Well, this will get us a weapon. Okay, fine. Okay, well, let's go ahead and do our weapon here. Start going with the base stuff immediately. Didn't have anything, huh? Okay. Yay! More fake stuff. And patches! Hi, patches. Do evil. Gonna damage himself to draw a card and do nothing. Okay, this is really bad. Let's do this guy. I don't necessarily need to taunt yet. That'll be next turn. This and this. And in actuality, I'm not going to attack because I may want to keep this weapon around for a little bit. At least for another turn or so. Okay. Better be something good. That's not going to help you.
Shields up.
Oh, goody! I have to attack that. I don't... Okay. Wonderful. Guy doesn't... I wonder if the guy knows how to play the game. Oh, well, that's fine. Take care of you. Take care of you. Take care of you. What the hell? And there we go. Okay. Your plot to wipe out everything on the board didn't work. Your fiendish plot to wipe out everything on the board didn't work. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get my own taunt guy out there. Oh, a little bit. Let's make it a little bit harder for him to get me. There we go. Give myself 2 armor. More mastery over you. I don't think I have to worry about you yet. I'm not... Yeah. Let's see. 5. I've got you. I've got lethal right there.
No quarter.
Do this right, do this right, do this right. There we go. And you die horribly. Alright. we have indeed reversed the slide that we've been on in the last few games. We have a victory for our warrior. And there we go. We played one taunt guy and started playing our warrior cards. Very good. Okay, well, if you liked what you saw, which was that was a fairly enjoyable experience there. Go ahead and feel free to leave me comments in the comment section below. In the meantime, this is GamerCat signing off.